Hi students, I would like to take a moment and say thank you all of you. Today my channel reached a milestone of 50,000 subscribers. I am very happy for this, and in this happy moment I want to share few things with you. What really inspired me to start YouTube channel is when I was a student, my favorite subject is chemistry because of my chemistry teacher. I am able to understand everything maximum in the class, but because of my chemistry teacher. But before exam, revising and preparing for exam is really challenging for me. That time I felt if anyone come and teach the tricks, easiest methods, shortcuts and any tips to understand and to revise in a short time, I felt it will be very easy for me. I can revise in a short time. That is the first thought it seeded in my mind when I was a student. After many years, after becoming a teacher, I used to teach the students in the same way, in an easiest way. They started liking my classes. Then I felt that in a class I can teach to a limited students and make them really happy for their exams. But that time I thought, why can't I start teaching to as many as students all over the world? And then I came to know YouTube is the best platform. Today, then immediately I started YouTube channel on December 25th, 2016. Today I reached 50,000 subscribers. In this journey, these are the best uploads. You can see here: trick for balancing redox reactions in acidic medium, trick to draw Lewis dot structures, trick for VBT, trick to find number of geometrical and optical isomers, tips to find oxidation number. Like this, many are there. Now let me share you the best tricks I uploaded in this journey from 2016 December till today. Many of you know this already, but in this happy moment I want to share with you again. Two best chemical bonding tricks and to find bond order, how to convert molecular form into ionic form, solubility order trick, Froth flotation process trick, inert pair effect. You can solve easily those questions by using this trick. You can find group number and period number very easily, and you can find the products obtained at cathode and anode by using this trick. You can write in anode and cathode in a cell reaction very easily. Concentration cells trick is there, limiting reagent trick is there, Ellingham diagram, nearest neighbor distance you can calculate very easily for simple cubic BCC, and FCC also I am going to upload. Weak field and strong field ligands you can easily identify. Few exceptional cases are there for this, and F block tricks I uploaded for actinoids and lanthanides. Potassium dichromate very easily you can learn in 10 minutes, and you can write electronic configuration, number of unpaired electrons and magnetic moment from D block. This trick is the best trick. And solid state, almost 8 videos are there. Those 8 or 7 videos are the best videos. Van Hoff factor trick and KB and KF problems you can solve very easily. And for above average students, I uploaded one video of physical chemistry, all chapter wise important numericals, electrochemistry and solutions chapter is there. Trick to find geometrical and optical isomers. This is one of the top video in Komli ma'am's channel. And CFT trick is there, best ozenolysis tricks are there, and Williamson ether synthesis, resonance tricks, and trick to find magnetic moment, organic named reactions, Favosky, Benjoin, Witte, Griffer-Matesky, all tricks are there. EZ nomenclature with 5 easy rules you can find. Silicates, it's a tough topic, but trick is there. Paramagnetic and diamagnetic species. In a channel, almost 100 and plus tricks uploaded from almost December 25th to till today. Cold-Rush law applications, Baeyer-Villiger. Really, I'm very happy to share with you. And Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Bond length comparison trick is there. Slater's rule trick for faster calculation, packing efficiency for simple cubic BCC, FCC. Like this, many tricks are there. Aldol condensation. 4 products you can write easily, students. 4 products you can write very easily. Oxidation number you can find within 5 minutes. And Lewis dot structures also you can draw within 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes. These are the top countries from where people are watching. India, Pakistan, United States, Nepal, Bangladesh, Philippines, South Africa. Like this, you can see here. These are the countries from where students are watching. Thank you to YouTube to provide such a platform to spread my classes all over the world. Today I reached a milestone of 50,000 subscribers. You are part of my success by liking, sharing. The comments you posted is really very nice. I thought to share the best comments, but I felt it is very difficult to share, to choose the best 10, because every comment is really precious for me. The thought I want to share here is, a lawyer income increases with increase in crime and litigation. A doctor's income increases with increase in disease. But a teacher income increases with increase in knowledge, prosperity of people and nation. And I feel proud to be a teacher. Put one goal, students, listen here. Put one goal and work for it till you reach. I believe that work accomplished, here I want to share one more thing. Work accomplished is equal to number of hours you study into intensity of focus. Work accomplished is nothing but whatever goal you put, and number of if you study more hours but with less focus, then it is very difficult for you to reach your goal. Stay focused, and if you keep your focus more, if you stay focused, then you can reach your goal easily. Finally want to say that stay focused towards your goals and make your parents feel proud of you. Thank you very much. Your Komli ma'am.